Listen, you have this application, but I bet you are not using it to its full potential.
You are about to learn from OneTech Space.
It is the Google Drive, and if you are using an Android phone, this application comes already installed on your mobile phone. But apart from saving your files, this app can actually do much more than that. When you open the application, tap on the plus sign, which reveals more functions in this tray. Choose Scan. Here you can do manual scan or automatic scan. Now, if there is another page of the document or if there are multiple pages, keep tapping on the plus sign to scan as many pages as you want. And when you're done scanning, tap Done. Now, you may want to rename the file. Choose the file format, either PDF document or JPEG image, the location to save it, and the email account for saving the file. Then hit Save. When the upload is successful, go to the main menu on the top left, choose Recent, then tap on the file you just scanned. Tap anywhere on the screen to see the signing tool. Tap on the pencil icon to sign the document. Go to the page where you want to sign. Tap on the first pencil to choose a color and tap on the plus sign to see more colors. Use this scale to choose how thick the pen should write and draw your signature on the document. When everything looks good, tap Save. Go to the three dots menu at the top right. Choose to download the signed document or tap Send a copy and choose how you want to share the document.